What's up? Gonna watch the new high carb henna what I eat in a day video. Toxic. What can I say? Vegans don't have any energy, so they consume toxins to produce stress hormones to give them fake energy. She's no exception.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video.
She looks so bad for being 32.
Which, if you guys haven't heard of Dandy Blend, it is a caffeine-free like coffee alternative that they make out of dandelion. And the thing that I noticed was that I was having headaches literally every single day, and it was driving me nuts, and I couldn't figure out what was causing it. So I did I took out a few things out of my diet. Like, I thought it was gluten for a while, and then I thought it was some other stuff. And then one of my friends was like, no, I'm pretty sure it's because you're drinking coffee. So I quit drinking coffee probably a month ago. But now I wake up in the morning, I feel totally fine. I feel fabulous, actually. I feel like I had a super restful, deep sleep, and I don't feel drowsy and like I have.
You look like you haven't slept in 10 days.
Now I wake up in the morning, I have my Dandy Blend. I have my water with lemon.
How is it any better?
And stuff like that.
Dandelion is as toxic as it can get.
So anyways,
and lemon is antibiotic. So you produce stress hormones and you destroy the microbes in your gut.
Sponsor, Lively Bras. This is one of the bras that I got from them. I'll be showing you all three of them.
Is this a joke?
And
no, it
I
isn't.
honestly can say to you guys that this is the most comfortable bra I've ever worn in my life. I don't really wear like your standard bras. I'm more of a
almost all of them now have advertisements for some shit. What like the fuck?
My favorite bra ever. And on top of that, it's super affordable.
You're such a tool.
All of the bras are $35.
Who watches them?
And all of the
vegan what I eat on the videos and doesn't realize that she's simply doing this to make money.
Is totally hands down. This is
fucked
like
up.
the softest bras that I've ever worn in my life.
She was paid to tell you this.
Last few days, and they're just so comfortable. So if any of you guys are interested in these bras, I highly recommend them. You can click the link down in the description box below, and you will get $10 off your first order.
No way. So stupid.
For breakfast today, I just made a really simple smoothie with some frozen mango. I put some frozen pineapple and also about 2 big handfuls of spinach in there, and just added some water. And
fructose oxalates.
It's a really delicious smoothie, but what makes it a lot better
bye kidneys
to it. Sometimes frozen fruit isn't always the sweetest, so usually I do add dates, but I forgot.
There's nothing in any way healthy about this, just in case you're wondering.
1 or 2 dates to your smoothie. It's a pro tip.
Yeah, this is why she looks so terrible. This is it.
So simple, so good. Then I did some yoga and was editing for a while.
Skin is falling apart.
I had a quarter of an avocado left in my fridge, so I just wanted to use that up. So I toasted a piece of Ezekiel bread and smashed that on there. I just like to smash my avocado on there with a fork. It just distributes it a lot better. And then I added some of my homemade hummus, which is the best hummus in the world.
Alright, grain sludge, anti-nutrients and carbs. Carbs are sugar. Avocado, plant oils. No animal fat. This is what she wants. This is why vegans eat a lot of those healthy fats from plants. Fuck off, come on. Hummus is more anti-nutrient slime, and of course you gotta add some kind of sauce or spice to cover up the horrible taste. That's it. A typical fucking vegan meal. Pure malnutrition.
I'll leave the link below for you guys if you haven't tried it yet. And some hot sauce, and it's just a great, super delicious little snack.
Okay, you're lying to yourself.
So I've just spent the last few hours editing for you guys. I'm really craving like peanut butter and chocolate right now, so I think I'm actually going to make like peanut butter chocolate oats for
that's again more craving for animal fat.
I'll show you guys how I make that. So I just poured some instant oats in
indigestible seeds.
Oats, I think the texture is way better, but you can use whatever kind you like, obviously. It's your life.
Just incredibly unappetizing.
Put some frozen berries on there, and obviously peanut butter.
I wouldn't know what you have to pay me for me to eat that.
You possibly want. And then I also
It would be so much, and she eats it voluntarily. It's just so mental.
Cashew coconut.
Because I understand if I would eat it, I would mess up my digestion. Even if it does a little bit of damage, it's still not worth it.
Let me know, because
And if you do it every day, you're done for.
Okay, so it's dinner time, my favorite time of the day. So I like to add a lot of vegetables into my dinner, and today I'm probably gonna put an entire head of broccoli in my dinner, just because I really like the combo of mac and cheese and broccoli. Alright, this dinner is
What cheese?
really simple.
Fake
you
cheese?
can use whatever kind of noodles you want. So I like to use these green lentil pasta. So you just want to cook your pasta to whatever your directions say, and then you can throw
that's
some
a lot of
broccoli or
broccoli.
veggies on a steamer. The sauce is super simple, so I don't measure this. I use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cashew butter, the juice of half a lemon.
Again, just in case you don't understand, the only reason they use the sauce is because they hate the taste of what they're eating.
A little bit of garlic powder,
That's
onion
it.
powder, paprika, and
Nobody would want to eat noodles with broccoli.
More of like a cheesy,
Nobody.
smoky flavor.
It's horrible.
It really does taste
It's
like
unnatural. It's unhealthy. It tastes terrible.
Cooking potatoes or anything like that.
Completely goes against your
Add a tiny
senses.
bit of water. You want to actually keep this really thick.
It is mental
because when you
illness.
add it, and just add your cashew cheese sauce into there. Top it with some broccoli or red pepper flakes. Like I always have everything with red pepper flakes, and that's it.
So bad. Just so disgusting. Just horrible. Just such suffering in everyday life. Why? Like, why suffer like this?
Everything that I ate today.
This
I
is
hope you guys
so
enjoyed this
much
video.
shit.
My cat's just going crazy today with this squeaky toy. If you liked any of the bras,
Just another
that I
bowl
tried
of
out today, or if you wanna
goitrogens.
check it out for
Cashews in
yourself,
general
I
are
highly
toxic.
recommend it. They're
Noodles, more
literally the most
anti-nutrients.
comfortable bras in the
This
entire
is why
world.
she
I will
looks
leave
like
the link
that.
down below, and also all the bras that I wore in today's video. But thank you guys.
You
so
really
much for
gotta
watching,
wake up.
and I will see you on the next video.
Very terrible. One of the worst what I eat in a day videos I've seen. So many toxins. Just a high sugar anti-nutrient diet. Not good. She didn't get over 50 nutrients in this day of eating. Every day she doesn't get over 50 nutrients that are only found in animal foods. That's a terrible fucking diet. Wouldn't you say so? Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.